Thank you for your interest in our online banking services. To activate your online banking account for the first time, open your preferred browser, navigate to www.sfefcu.org, and select the login option at the top right of the home page. Enter your account number in the Online Banking ID field. This serves as your temporary online banking ID. Select the login option. The page will redirect to the login page where you will enter your temporary password. Your temporary password is CU followed by the last 4 numbers of your zip code and the last 4 numbers of your social security number. After entering the temporary password, select Submit and the page will navigate to the online banking agreement. Read the agreement and then accept. The page will then redirect and you can change your online banking ID. Please note the online banking ID requirements. Once you have selected a new, valid online ID, hit Continue. The page will then redirect to the Change Net Teller Password page. To change your temporary password, enter it in the current password field. Next, enter your new password twice. Please note the password requirements. After selecting Continue, your password will be updated. You will then be prompted to select a personal image. Choose one and then select Submit. The next step is to select 3 security questions. Select one from each drop-down menu and enter the answer in the field below each question. Once you have selected and answered each question, select the Submit option. The page will then navigate to a confirmation page. Verify your security questions and answers. If there is a discrepancy, select Edit and make the necessary changes. If they are correct, select Confirm. You will receive a thank you notification. Select Continue. Proceed to the email address on file page and confirm your email address. On the same page, select a password reset question. Type a question of your choice in the password reset question field and the answer in the field below. Select the Submit option. Congratulations! You have now activated your online banking account. Through online banking, you can monitor your balances and transactions, transfer funds between your different accounts and to other members, access account information, pay bills, and access account documents and settings. Once you have completed your business online, select the Logout option at the top right of the page in order to securely exit online banking. You will then be redirected to the credit union website's homepage. If you previously activated your online banking and already have a customized online banking ID and password, you can log into your account by selecting the Login option at the top right and entering your online banking ID in a login pop-up. After typing in your banking ID, select the Login option just below. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your password and verify your personal image before selecting the Submit option. After logging in, you can monitor your balances and transactions, transfer funds between your different accounts and to other members, and access account documents and settings, and pay bills, Once you have completed your business online, select the Logout option at the top right of the page in order to securely exit online banking. You will then be redirected to the credit union website's homepage.